In workers' compensation in Rhode Island, we have, fortunately, one of the most efficient and fastest moving, fastest working courts in the nation. We're really sort of the gold standard in that regard. Now, things still take time. There is a turnaround time for everything. But let's say, really, whatever the issue is, it can be anything from, are you entitled to workers' comp or not in the first place? Or it can be a situation where you're on workers' comp, that's not disputed, but there's a dispute over whether you should be paid a certain amount for your scarring, or whether you're entitled to a form of medical treatment, or any issue. When you get to that point and you have to file a petition, the turnaround time kind of looks like this, essentially. For many things like medical treatment, you first have to ask for it, and legally you have to ask for it in writing. And if the insurance company receives your request in writing for something, you typically have to give them 21 days to respond before you can file that petition. So you have the first period of time you're looking at in terms of turnaround time is 21 days from when you ask for what you want to when the insurance company has to pay it or approve it or deny it. Once you get to that 21-day point, you can file a petition. Obviously, you don't go into court the same day you file the petition. You file the petition on that 22nd day, let's say, and now the court schedules a hearing so you can talk to the judge and make your case for what you want. That hearing, from the point you file it, is typically 21 days as well away. So you've got 42 days in terms of a typical turnaround time. And this all assumes that the parties can't work it out in the interim, or sometimes once you file that petition, the insurance company will see it and retreat, or say, here's the authorization, go ahead and get that treatment. We don't even have to bother going to court. But worst case scenario, if we're going to have a judge decide a petition or an issue, you're looking at 21 days for a hearing from when you file the petition. And more times than not, most disputes are resolved at that first hearing, at the pretrial level, after 21 days. So that's a good turnaround time compared to other systems and other courts and other legal disputes that can come up.